We have a contour here that's quite complex, and it would take hours to manually enter this contour into the Cinemeric contour calculator by hand. So today we're going to use a function that does the whole thing in seconds. Digital import of data directly into the contour calculator. Welcome to Cinemeric Live Did You Know? Today, import of DXF data. There are different ways to import DXF data. You can simply plug in a USB flash drive, quick and easy. Or you can import the data from any source on your network into the machine. In this example, we're going to use our USB flash drive. We now select this in Program Manager, and there we see our DXF file with extension DXF in the directory of the USB flash drive. To view the file, you can simply double-click it or go to Open. You see the digital drawing on the display straight away. OK, take a look and verify that it's the right part, then close the file. Now we're going to import this digital drawing into our program. I go to my NC Program directory in Program Manager and open the program into which I want to import the drawing, that is to say, the contour, and select the point in the program where I want to insert it. It's very simple. Mill contour, new contour, and then assign your choice of name to the new contour. Now it's very important that you also select Import from DXF here, and not Create a new contour, because we would then have to enter the data manually, which is not what we want to do. We want to import it from DXF, of course. As I was saying, name and then OK. The file containing our DXF is now selected on our USB flash drive. OK, and the DXF is displayed here, ready for editing. The next step is to select the first or starting element of the contour. A starting point is suggested to me on the contour, but I don't have to accept it. I can also click somewhere else and say I want to start here. This is where my milling path should begin. I then confirm this first element, and now I have the chance to select again between counterclockwise and clockwise milling. This is represented here in blue and yellow respectively, thus indicating the contour direction. I confirm that, and the contour calculator finds the complete contour, provided I've set it to automatic. If I hadn't, I would have to click through every single element by hand. That is also an option, but with many hundreds of contour cycles, it would obviously be a bit tedious. The convenient automatic function is provided for this, but the manual function is also important because I can use it to describe open contours. It doesn't always have to be closed DXF contours that are imported. You can also import open ones, and the manual function is needed for that. Or if you only want to describe contours up to a certain point. In our case, the pocket is closed, so we press Accept, and the contour is complete in the contour calculator. Then I press Accept, and it's inserted where it belongs. We can also open the whole thing again and take another look, make changes, etc. And that's it. The program creation and data import is now complete. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.